Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of changing the lid sensor on your HP Victus laptop. This task requires precision, so let's ensure you have everything you need before we begin. First, gather the tools required for this repair. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrostatic discharge. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can easily get your device repaired without any hassle. Next, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if your model allows it, as this can prevent any accidental power-ups during the process. Now, let's move on to the screws. Using the Phillips #0 screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of your HP Victus. There are typically 8 screws that need to be taken out. Keep them in a container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover gently. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. With the back cover removed, locate the lid sensor. It is usually positioned near the hinges of the laptop. Before removing it, take a moment to clean any dust inside the laptop using compressed air. This is crucial for maintaining your laptop's performance. Now, disconnect the old lid sensor. You may need to gently lift it out of its socket. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you find this process challenging or do not feel comfortable, keep in mind that we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can handle it for you. After removing the old sensor, take your new lid sensor and align it correctly in its socket. Press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you previously removed. This is where a magnetic screwdriver can really come in handy, making it easier to align the screws without dropping them. Once all screws are in place, reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier. Now, power on your laptop to ensure that the new lid sensor is functioning correctly. You should be able to see the screen responding as you open and close the lid. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Plus, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient and stress-free. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the lid sensor on your HP Victus laptop. Regular maintenance and timely repairs like this can prolong the lifespan of your device and enhance its performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.